Okay, go ahead.
Ooh.
Here, wait.
Frozen.
Frozen stuff? Who's that from?
Miss Tori.
Let's see. What's the card?
Ooh, mermaids.
Mermaids. What does it say? Wait, let's see it.
Yeah.
Here. Can I read it to you before you open? It says, "You're 5." Hold on, before you open, let me read this. Hold on. Rebecca, here's a birthday wish for you from deep beneath the sea. From mermaids who think 5 is just the nicest age to be. Happy 5th birthday. She said, "Wow, 5 years old. I can't believe now how big you are getting. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love and miss you very much. Love, Miss Tori." All right, rip into it.
Again. Okay.
Is it the same one that you have?
Yes.
Well, that's okay. We can exchange it for a different one. That was really sweet, though. What is that?
Frozen nail polish.
Frozen nail polish? Can I see it? Wow! You could have Elsa polish.
Elsa. And is this maybe a book?
Oh no. What is it? What is that? Whoa! It's like coloring and stickers. Oh my goodness.
But there's no pages.
But you draw it.
I draw what?
Look, it's a reveal thing. Look. You use that marker and you can reveal different colors and stuff.
Wow.
Wow. What do you want to say to Miss Tori?
Thank you.